Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history without getting bored. First, try to find personal connections to the past. Think about how historical events still influence our world today. Also, seek out different viewpoints and individual narratives, not just broad overviews. Engaging with history through documentaries, historical fiction, or even video games can make learning much more dynamic and memorable. To truly absorb history, move beyond passive reading. Try creating visual aids like timelines or concept maps to organize information and see connections. Discussing historical events with friends or in a study group can also deepen your understanding and expose you to new interpretations. Furthermore, explore virtual tours of museums or historical sites to bring the past to life. Don't feel pressured to learn everything at once. Instead, pick a specific historical period or a fascinating figure that genuinely interests you and dive deep. Reading primary sources, like letters or diaries, offers a direct window into the past. Always ask why events unfolded as they did, exploring the motivations and consequences, which transforms facts into compelling stories. To maintain your enthusiasm, share what you learn with friends or family. Teaching others reinforces your own knowledge. Set small, manageable goals like reading one chapter a week to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember, history is a continuous story, and there's always something new to discover. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.